Hi, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you could start a brand new YouTube channel in 2023 as of in right now and earn a great passive income. In this video, I'm going to be creating a brand new YouTube channel from scratch to walk you through step by step on how you can become successful on YouTube and potentially earn tons of dollars. I'm sharing these strategies from my own YouTube experience because I'm a YouTube content creator with more than 15 different YouTube channels, and one of them is about to surpass 200,000 subscribers. So you know you're in the right place. So I'm going to be explaining what are my personal strategies that I use for my own YouTube channel to become successful on YouTube. So make sure to stick around till end of this video to find out how you can become successful and earn tons of dollars from doing YouTube videos. So make sure to stick around till the end, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar content. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the very first thing you need to do before starting your own YouTube channel is to find a perfect niche or a category of content that you want to make videos about. Well, on YouTube there are thousands of niches around the world that are both successful and can make great money. Well, depending on what type of a niche and a category you are into, the RPM of YouTube will change. RPM stands for revenue per minute, which means how much does YouTube is going to pay you for every 1000 views you get. For an example, the average RPM of a YouTube channel is roughly about 1 to 2 US dollars depending on where you live. But for channels that creates videos about vehicles, well, their RPM or revenue per mille is about 6 to 10 US dollars. So it varies from what type of a niche you are into. So first of all, you need to find a niche that is going to pay you high on RPM, because it varies depending on what type of a content you are making. Basically, automotive, lifestyle and money niches are the highest RPM niches on YouTube. So if you are interested and if you want to make more money from every 1000 views you get, pick those niches because those are the highest paying RPMs on YouTube. So after the step of finding out what type of a niche of content you are trying to make, now let's move on to the real deal of making our very own YouTube channel. To create, it's the same old method of clicking on top and signing in. After you created your brand new own YouTube channel, you have to name it. I personally recommend you naming your very own YouTube channel to the type of content you are into. For an example, if you are trying to make videos about tech, I personally recommend you to make your username much more techier, if that makes sense, because it's much more easier for people to understand what type of contents you are making by just looking at your name, and it's much more easier for YouTube as well to identify what type of content you are making, which makes it much more SEO friendly. If you don't have an exact idea of what to name your channel, well, there's AI tool called ChatGPT which will help you and guide you to name your very own YouTube channel. After that, write a yet again SEO friendly channel description to tell YouTube algorithm what your YouTube channel is about. You can use the help of ChatGPT yet again as well to write down what your channel description is going to be. After naming your YouTube channel, now let's move on to the basic customization of your YouTube channel, which consists of your channel logo, your channel banner and video watermark. Try to make it as much as simple and as much as unique as possible. So to give you some context, YouTube is mainly based on three main colors: red, black and white. So if you're trying to make your own YouTube logo, I recommend you to use different colors than those three colors to make more eye-catching and much more unique, and which help you to give a personality to your own YouTube channel. So I recommend you to use different colors rather than red, black and white to make the personality of your YouTube channel. So after all those steps, your channel is pretty much ready to upload a video. My very best advice is that you need to keep in mind is consistency. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you need to upload very consistently, because YouTube don't want to promote channels which are not consistent and don't upload very much videos. I'm not saying you need to upload every single day, but if you can upload about 3 to 4 videos every week, it is more than enough. and it doesn't have to be long videos as well. You can upload YouTube shorts as well to save much time. So I recommend you to upload about 3 to 4 YouTube videos every single week to get attention of the YouTube algorithm. Because if you're trying to make videos about smartphones and technology, and if you are consistent, well, the YouTube algorithm will find out that you are a channel that makes about tech videos, and it will promote those videos to the suggested people, so which will help you to build up your audience and potentially make profit from YouTube. That is pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these kind of content, and let's catch up in another video.